The courageous sovereign, Alexander triumph.
Once upon a time, in a prosperous kingdom nestled amidst rolling hills and shimmering lakes, there lived a wise and just king named Alexander. Under his benevolent rule, the kingdom flourished, and its people enjoyed peace and prosperity. The kingdom was known for its breathtaking landscapes, magnificent castles, and bustling marketplaces. The streets echoed with laughter, and the scent of freshly baked bread wafted through the air. The people worked hard in harmony, and their unity created a bond that couldn't be broken. However, their tranquil existence was soon threatened by a neighboring kingdom, ruled by a power-hungry and cruel king, Lord Malachi. He yearned to expand his territory and conquer Alexander's peaceful realm. Gathering a massive army, he set forth to invade the kingdom. News of the impending invasion reached King Alexander, who swiftly assembled his loyal knights and rallied his people. The kingdom's defenses were strengthened, and its citizens stood ready to defend their home. As Lord Malachi's army approached, the kingdom's soldiers valiantly fought, demonstrating unwavering courage and determination. The clash between the two armies was fierce, but the defenders refused to yield. With each passing day, the enemy's forces grew weary, while the kingdom's resilience remained unshaken. King Alexander, leading by example, fought at the forefront, inspiring his people with his unwavering spirit. His wise counsel and strategic maneuvers kept the enemy at bay. The kingdom's unity and love for their homeland fueled their strength, and hope never wavered. In a final climactic battle, the kingdom's forces, bolstered by their unwavering determination, emerged victorious. The enemy retreated in defeat, and Lord Malachi's dreams of conquest were shattered. The kingdom celebrated their hard-fought triumph, their jubilant cheers echoing through the land. King Alexander thanked his brave warriors and the loyal citizens who had stood by his side. From that day forward, the kingdom's unity grew even stronger. Their victory became a testament to the power of courage, resilience, and the indomitable spirit of a united people. The tale of their triumph would be passed down through generations, a reminder of the kingdom's strength and the enduring legacy of its people.